Loans and paying off debt. If you take out a loan, follow these steps. Add the bank loan amount to your liabilities column under bank loan. Add the bank loan payment, 10% of what you borrowed, to your expenses. Add the bank loan payment to your total expenses. Calculate your new monthly cash flow. Monthly cash flow equals total income minus total expenses. Note, your monthly or payday bank loan payments are interest only. They do not reduce the principal amount of the loan. To reduce the loan principal and the corresponding bank loan payment, you must pay down the bank loan amount directly. Paying off debt. You may choose to pay off debt to reduce your total expenses at any time. You must pay off the entire amount of any debt except for bank loans, which can be paid off in $1,000 increments. Note, taxes, other expenses, and child expenses cannot be paid off. These are permanent expenses. When you pay off debt, adjust your financial statement as follows. Remove, or reduce if paying off part of a bank loan, the debt in the liabilities columns. Remove or reduce the payment in your expenses column. Subtract the payment from your total expenses. Calculate your new monthly cash flow. Monthly cash flow equals total income minus total expenses. A note about loans. You may borrow money unless you are declared bankrupt. Refer to page 10 in the instruction booklet or watch the bankruptcy video online. Loans must be in multiples of $1,000 at 10% interest per month. That means each payday. Your monthly bank loan payment is $100 for every $1,000 borrowed.